Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another Blog Tech Tips. And of course guys, today I'm going to show you to fix a WhatsApp problem. So let me just show you the issue right here. So if you launch WhatsApp, you'll notice that I'm having a problem where none of my contacts names are shown. And basically what's happening is that all we're seeing on screen is just the number without a proper name associated. So I'm going to show you how to go about fixing this so all the names will show up. Alright, and just we minimize. Once you do that, just go ahead and go to settings. Once in settings, you're going to go to apps. On yours it might say application manager. So if it's anything related to apps, just go ahead. For most modern devices, it should say apps. Once you're on apps, just scroll through. Everything is alphabetically arranged. So just go down and you're going to look for WhatsApp, which is the program that's been affected. And once you go to WhatsApp, I want you to scroll down and look for the option that says permissions. And just notice right here under permissions, it shows you all the possible permissions you can grant to WhatsApp. But if you look right in the upper right hand corner right here, you'll notice that it says contacts. Just go ahead and toggle the contacts option on. That means you're granting permission to WhatsApp to use your contacts. And the reason why it's not working or your names are not showing up is because WhatsApp needs to cross-reference the name and the number with the contact on your phone. And if you're not giving it permission, it cannot access it. So thus the names are not shown. So just go ahead and basically toggle that option on. After this, just go back. And of course, right here, guys, you have two options. Once you do that, you're just going to close out. You can close the app from the background. So WhatsApp, for example, right here, I'm just going to go ahead and close out WhatsApp. Once you close out WhatsApp, you can just go ahead and reboot the phone to give the device a chance to refresh. So just restart or power off and then power on. Once you do that, guys, and you actually come back in. Some cases it will work whether or not you reboot, but it's advised that you reboot. So once you do that, just go ahead again and launch WhatsApp afresh. And if you give it a little time, it should now refresh. And you notice after a while, it was able to refresh. And as soon as it refreshes, you should have noticed that now most of the contacts have been filled in. Now, if you have a few that's not filled in as yet, it might be a case where you have not placed a number inside of your phone book. So just go ahead and try to add any number that was not added to the phone book, and that should fill out the list. But of course, any number that's already in the phone book will now show up. Alright guys, this is Ricardo Warden showing how to fix the issue on WhatsApp where no name is shown for contacts that you have in your device. Alright guys, Ricardo from Blog Tech Tips, saying bye till next time. Bye.